Once February hits, more zones are going to start seeing their last frost dates, which means more people can start sowing more seeds. But even if your last frost date isn't for a while, you can still partake in some seed starting, and flowers would be great to start this month. So let's talk about some flowers that you can start from seed in February.
Even though it's going to be warming up, you can keep sowing flower seeds such as your violas and pansies, calendula, poppies, and sweet peas, as they all like cooler weather. So starting them now will allow them some time to get established and bloom before it starts to get too warm.
Snapdragons are another great choice to keep sowing in February because they prefer temperatures around 40 degrees Fahrenheit at night and 70 degrees Fahrenheit during the day to flower. But if they're just getting established this month, that won't be too much of a concern, especially if you start them indoors. But if you wanted to move them outdoors, snapdragons can tolerate a light frost, so this would also be good for those of you in cooler climates where your last frost date won't be for a while, but if you know your frosts won't be heavy either.
Cosmos are going to be a good addition to your flower seed starting lineup this month. They are an annual, but they are pretty good reseeders, and they come in fun colors and are a pollinator magnet. Marigolds are some of my favorite flowers, and they can be sown now for blooms in the early spring and summer and can usually last well into the fall. Marigolds also make great companion plants and trap crops, and they smell really good too. Zinnias are some fun, cheery flowers coming in so many different colors, and they can grow pretty quickly. So if you're in a warmer climate, you're probably fine to grow them directly outdoors if you want to. Zinnias are also great cut and come again flowers for bouquets, and the pollinators also love them. Stock is another lovely flower to start in February. There are lots of different colors for stock, and they don't really enjoy the heat, so now is a good time to get some stock seeds started so they can get established and bloom before it heats up too much.
Alyssum can grow quickly and they can tolerate higher temperatures up to about 85 degrees Fahrenheit, but then anything hotter than that, they do start to get a little bit more stressed out, so February would be a great time to get some established so you can enjoy them for a while.
Nasturtium is a quick grower and is yet another flower that tends to wither away in the heat. But if you start some now, if you haven't already, you can still enjoy their lily pad-like leaves and gorgeous flowers, as well as have them as a trap crop for some of your spring plants in your garden. Nasturtium is also an edible flower. The leaves, the flowers, and even their seed pods are all edible. If you haven't started milkweed yet, it's not too late, but I would definitely start some now. If you live in a warmer climate, you'll want to cold stratify your seeds first, then sow them. But if you're still seeing some colder temperatures, you can start them outside and let nature take care of that for you. But milkweed should be in every garden for the monarchs and more. And call me crazy, but I'm going to keep pushing sunflowers for warmer climate gardeners who have already seen their last frost date. Most of my volunteers are really starting to shoot up in growth, and before I know it, I'll have more blooms. You don't have to wait until summer to see sunflowers. So start some seeds now and enjoy those large blooms earlier. Of course, as always, there are more flowers that you can start from seed in February. These are just a few of my suggestions. So give some of these a try or look into other flowers that you might be interested in starting this month. And before you know it, your garden will be covered in blooms.